Alicia, and for today's video, I am going to do a how I study video or study tips from me. And alam ko naman na halos lahat sa mga viewers ko ay mga estudyante at pare-pares lang tayo nakakaranas ng super hirap na exams, na tests, at medyo nakakawindang na rin. So here are some of my study tips na nag-work sa akin. So if you guys are interested, then please just keep on watching. Let's get started! Okay guys, just a little disclaimer to start off this video. This is the method of studying that really works on me, and hindi ko naman ina-expect na pag nag-work to sa akin is mag-work din sa inyo, at hindi din naman lahat na nag-work sa inyo guys is nag-work din sa akin. If you already found your stable kind of studying, mag-stick na lang kayo dun guys. Huwag nyo nang ibahin kasi mahirap naman ang paiba-iba kayo ng paraan ng pag-aaral. And I can say that this method is very effective on me kasi I'm still part of the honor student list pa naman. And I've been studying by my own since when I was like in grade 5 pa until now. So, ang tagal ko na nag-aaral mag-isa nang walang help ng friends ko. Ako na sa lahat sa pag-review, ganon. So, ito yung ginagamit kong method. Let's start with my very first tip, which is do not procrastinate. Yun talaga yung pinaka number 1 ko kasi we should have a very good time management. For example, meron tayong project na kailangan ipasa next week. We should do it ahead of time. Huwag tayong gagawa ng project na parang mamaya na yung pasahan. It's like that. We should do it like ahead of time para yung remaining time mo is you can pay attention in other things. Like, yung remaining time mo, pwedeng mag-review ng for upcoming tests or quizzes. Pwede mong gamitin yung time na yun. So, use your time wisely. And to help you do not forget things to do your priorities is to have your planner with you. Or you have a notebook na sinusulat mo lahat ng kailangan mong gawin during that day or lahat ng kailangang ipasa. That's just my first tip, which is do not procrastinate. Second is to pick a time and place where and when you will study. So, importante yan guys, kasi yung ibang tao, they are comfortable pag nag-review sila tuwing umaga pagkagising nila. Yung iba naman tuwing gabi. Yung iba naman comfortable nag-review sa kama nila, sa coffee shop, sa desk nila. But for me, in my own perspective, I'm really comfortable studying after school. Pagdating ko galing school, as in pagdating ko, I just go change my clothes and then I'm going to review right away and then I'm going to study at our living area. I don't know why, hindi lang dahil sa living area nandun lahat ang school supplies ko, but doon ako talaga super nagiging awake kasi I've tried reviewing dito sa bed, kung saan comfy. Ewan ko, inaantok ako. Yun yung nagiging feeling ko. So, I end up sleeping na lang and having some naps and not reviewing my lessons. So, next is to discover your learning style. Us students, we have different types of learning style. Yung iba gustong nag-review sa isang tahimik na lugar. Yung iba naman nag-review with their own musics, with their earphones with them, and their phones. Nagkapatugtog sila ng baroque music or sometimes naman mga musics na they can jam with. But for me, in my own opinion, hindi nag-work sa akin yung pag-play ng music and having my earphones with me and favorite music ko yung sound kasi I end up jamming in with the music itself, and ang naaalala ko lang is yung lyrics, pero hindi yung information that I'm reading, which is not good. And tinry ko yun kasi yun talaga yung mga nakikita ko sa YouTube, mga study tips and tricks, makinig ka daw sa music, ganon, pero hindi talaga siya nag-work sa akin. I end up being distracted. So, yung study tips na yun, hindi siya nag-work sa akin. And for me, ang nag-work sa akin is okay lang yung may noise, like white noises. And then, kapag nag-review din ako, I don't like, yung iba kasing tao, diba, gusto nila nag-read ng textbook and then hina-highlight nila yung mga important informations. And then, sa textbook sila nag-review. But for me, I don't like minsan nag-review ako sa textbook, but I like to, or I prefer to write it down, to write down all the important details, and then tsaka ko siya re-reviewin in a bullet form. For example, this reviewer, and I like to have my reviewers in my yellow pad. I don't know why, but I do review in my notebooks. Meron din akong reviewer sa notebook, pero sometimes, kapag masyado ng madami, I put it in a yellow pad, and then, it's actually in the bullet form. There. And, mas okay sa akin yung ganitong way. Yung iba naman, gusto nila nagbabasa sa libro, and then they highlight na lang. Yung iba ganun. But, for me, I like to put it in a yellow pad, kasi mas comfortable sa akin. Next one is to stay motivated. Guys, being motivated whenever you study is very hard. But, for me, may nangyari kasi dati na parang kapag hindi ako nagiging motivated or I'm not in the mood to study my lessons, I don't study at all. Promise, guys. May time na parang ilang oras akong tenga lang na wala akong inaaral kasi hindi pa ako, parang wala pa akong eagerness na mag-aral nung time na yun. I'm not yet in the track to study my lessons. So, ayun, natulog lang ako, nag-cellphone, and then you will feel it because I felt it when I'm in the eager na to study. Nafe-feel ko na ay, okay na, ready na ako mag-aral ulit. Ready na ako. Kasi nung tinry ko mag-aral nang wala ako sa mood, guys, walang pumapasok sa utak ko. Kahit anong basa ko, kahit anong try ko ng pag-alala sa mga nababasa kong lessons, gosh, wala talaga akong maalala. Ni isa. As in, it's either nabubulol ako or hindi ko talaga siya maalala. I got mental block. So, ang ginawa ko, natulog lang ako for around 2 hours, ayun, and then nag-cellphone, and then when I feel na, okay, ready na ako talaga ako mag-aral. And then nag-aral na ako, pumasok na siya lahat sa utak. And last one, the last tip that I can tell you guys is ask for help. Diba nasabi ko na rin naman na sa beginning ng video na hindi na rin naman ako ako na lang yung nag-aaral mag-isa. But whenever I have like, may mga lessons ako na hindi ko talaga maintindihan, I tend to ask my parents about that and let's see kung ano yung alam nila doon. And they also entertain my questions, diba? Hindi naman porket ikaw na lang mag-isa ka nag-aaral, ay sasaralinin mo na lang yun, diba? You can also ask somebody some questions, ganon. And mas okay ngayon kasi you have the sharing of information, sharing of ideas about that kind of lesson. And actually, in my own perspective, it's really hard to study a lesson na hindi mo naman talaga naiintindihan. For example, math. You're trying to study how to solve this equation and then hindi mo naman talaga alam yung process. So, you need to ask somebody to help you kung hindi mo talaga maintindihan. Or for example, history class. Meron kang hindi naintindihan na event doon, but they're all connected, right? So, kung meron kang hindi naintindihan, hindi mo na rin maiintindihan yung next na nangyari doon sa history class ninyo. So, asking help is not bad. It's actually a good thing to do kasi you can share your ideas or your opinions or kung saan ka talaga nahihirapan. Parang magiging maganda rin yung time with you and your classmate or with you and your mom. It's like that. So, yun lang naman yung mga study tips ko, guys. And I know I'm just a high school student, pero nakakaranas na rin naman kami ng pressure, ng kahirapan sa pag-aaral. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sana natulungan ko kayo kahit papano. Sana nakakuha kayo ng onting tips dun lang sa mga binigay ko. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel to be part of the #YeshaFam. And don't forget to follow me in my Instagram accounts at Yesh_XOXO and at @WhatsAppsMeYesha. And have a Yesh adorable day. Bye! I love you all guys so much.